Welcome back to another video. So in today's video I'm going to be sharing with you how I crochet this beautiful trinity stitch. So the trinity stitch is a crochet stitch that is suitable for bags, scarves, blankets, and I'm going to be sharing with you how to make this beautiful stitch pretty easy. So we are going to start with a slip knot, and we're going to do a number of chain. Your number of chain should be an even number. So I'm just going to do a number of chain here for this stitch. One of the important things to know when you do a trinity stitch is your stitch has to be loose. Your stitch should not be tight. It has to be a little bit loose because you're going to walk again back into that same stitch. So what I did here now is I skipped the first chain, I go into the second chain, and I did a single crochet. So into the same space where I did the single crochet, I go back into that same chain, then I pull up a yarn, and I go into the next 3 chain and I pull up a yarn. So I have 4 loops on my hook, and then I chain 1. And make sure your stitch is loose. Do not make it too tight. Then you go back into the last place where you walked into. Then you go back again, and into the next 3 chain you pull up a yarn. So you have 4 loops on your hook, and then you chain 1, and then you repeat this until you get to the end of the row. So I'm here at the end. I'm almost at the end of this row now. So I am going to do my last. I'm going to do the last stitch here. So we have 4 loops on the hook, and now what we're going to do is we are going to yarn. You're going to yarn into, but we are not going to chain 1. We are not going to chain 1. What we are going to do is we are going to do a single crochet into that same space, the last space. You're going to do a single crochet. You're not going to chain 1. So one of the things you need to note is we start with a single crochet, we are going to end with a single crochet. So this is how we are going to continue to repeat the pattern. You're going to start with a single crochet and you're going to end with a single crochet. For the round 2, we're going to chain 1, and then we're going to turn our work around, and into the first stitch you're going to do a single crochet. Into that same stitch where you did your single crochet, you are going to continue again and pull up yarns to have 4 loops on your hook, and now you're going to walk back into that same stitch. That is why I said you should make your stitch a little bit loose and not too tight, because we are going to walk back again into the same and you're going to go under 2 loops. When you're doing the second round, you have to go under the both loops to repeat the stitch, and you need to have 4 loops on your hook, and then we're just going to continue to repeat it. And when we get to the end of this round, we are going to do a single crochet. So this is going to be a repeat pattern, a repeat row pattern. So we are going to repeat row 2 until we get our desired length. If you enjoy my videos, my tutorials, please give my video a thumbs up, subscribe, share, and like my videos, and most importantly, click on the notification bell to get notified whenever I post a video. And to get your own beginner's crochet kit, if you're a beginner, or even if you're not a beginner, you need a new crochet kit, you can go to my description box and click on the link to get your own crochet kit. Everything in the crochet kit for beginners and also for anyone who is not a beginner. So as I said, this is a repeat row pattern. So once you get to the end of the row, you are going to do a single crochet, you chain one, and you turn your work around, and you continue and repeat the pattern till you get your desired length. So this is the end of this tutorial. As you can see, it's a very beautiful crochet stitch, and I hope you enjoyed this video. See you in the next one.